morning, you guys. How are you? Whoo. Hey, darlings. It's Amy to the ZO freaking and Amazon EBR. And you guys, it's been so long I did that intro. Like, I felt like a part of me was missing and I had to grab that part of me that was missing. Ooh, but you guys, so welcome back to the channel. If you are new, girl, I do a lot of natural hair lifestyle content. I'm an Abuja based YouTuber. If you don't know where Abuja is the nation's capital of Nigeria. And Nigeria is the giant of Africa. We're not going to argue about that, okay? So let's just leave it at that. But if you're new, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Okay. I'm just going to bring you guys a quick, week in my life video. But from what you guys have already seen from that wedding I attended, let's talk about that wedding. Guys, that must be the most interesting Northern Nigerian wedding I've attended in a very long time. I'm talking about in all my years of being an event hostess, because the food bro, we was eating from 12 noon to 8 p.m. Not me, not me, because I was working, okay? But the guests, from 12 noon when we got there, people were eating till 9 p.m. when we left that venue. There was a lot of food. And also, guys, there was a lot of meat. 8:30, they were still grilling. Y'all was still grilling chicken. These people were grilling chicken at 8:30 p.m. Hello? Who's going to eat all of that? And the guests didn't want to go. Okay, and the couple was so fun. Their friends, their family, they were dancing so hard. And I had a favorite song. Oh my God, I'm a clown. I know, but you guys, that wedding was so bomb. The food, everything. They did try to do the whole social distancing thing. I mean, when you come in, the whole COVID-19 thingy. That place, there was a lot of people, yo. But I've been wearing my mask the whole time because COVID is still out there. And we're living in the panoramic, guys, it's not a pandemic. You don't call it that way. When you call it a pandemic, it becomes even harder and worse. But you guys, the food was so much. I had to take home. I'm going to show you. I brought home some small chops. They had this milkshake. Ooh, I need the recipe for that milkshake because I need to try it. It was so tasty. It was so nice. No sugar, banana, some milk, pineapple. Like, what the hell is going on there, girl? Don't get me mad. I'm going to show you some of my small chops that I brought home. So this year is what the small chops looks like. And you guys, I have eaten out of this shit. I tell you the truth. Okay, and these were looking more beautiful than this. I kind of refried this. Okay, so don't hate. I refried that this morning because I didn't want it to get bad. And I don't eat puff puff when it's cold, but that puff puff, girl, that was a lot. Okay, so I'm supposed to like do my nails today, go thrift shopping, but who's paying? Me? I'ma skip that. Girl, if I was supposed to go thrift shopping, I should have done that early this morning because there's like a timing for this thing. Okay, I'm holding my phone so if my camera is shaking, don't hate. Just subscribe so I can buy a new phone. Yeah, or I can buy a proper camera. But that's the thing, I'm supposed to go thrift shopping, and also I've said that like 1,000 times, and also to do my nails. Okay, so I met this girl at an event. It turns out she was my high school senior. And now she wants to come and do nails in the studio. Girl, who's gonna pay? Because she'll be all up in my DM like, you should come and get your nails done, honey. Do it for you. I don't want all that self-talk. I don't want all the self-love talk. Don't try to do me like that, okay? I'm gonna do my nails still, but she just out here, explaining things to me that I already know because I'm gonna do my nails, but who is paying? That's the point. Someone's gotta pay, and if that's coming from my pocket, I might want to think about it a second time. So let's get about today. If I'm able to do my nails, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. For now, I just need to fold the laundry that I washed yesterday before going for that wedding. So yeah. But you don't know anything. Hey guys, good morning. So yesterday I was finally able to get my nails done, you guys. Oh, a girl is glowing. This is Monday morning. I have a meeting with a potential client, so I'm out here. This is what I'm wearing. Can y'all see that? A pair of leggings, a top, a camisole, a blazer, and sneakers. Because business casual. No joke. I like what other people say. Yes, this week. Yes. See this one. It's not high. Let me see. Bring it. No. Yeah, that works. Take this one. Let me see the other one. Take the black.
Yeah. Give me better one.
You can just right before someone. You don't like onion. So most times.
Your daddies. Who's your zaddy?
Who are your friends?
Who are your zaddies? Who are your friends? 200.
You said 200 now. Carry me to house, my good shop.
You say what?
It's what?
What's that?
This is all I have left. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. You may consign.
Chicken Republic.
You would have tried to have food.
I am hungry.
Okay, I'll do transfer tomorrow. That guy just
Now I'm going to show you that you have 2 minutes to come and sing a very special song for the celebrant. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's make welcome with a round of applause, Rita Oraz.
My name is Rita Oraz from Bash Ali Boxing Project.
Dbanj in the building.
Make some noise for the Osinamata Ura Yawa. Lego. And my mama Mamalet. Happy New Year, man. Are you ready now? We start with Igwe Philip. Let's do this. If you know you're ready. Now, so we're going to answer me here now. Let's go together.
As in, it's always a hit. It's always a hit.
When you see that position, that leg position, you know it's the best thing. Shake it,